Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about how to install deb++ compiler. Now open your browser and type deb compiler and just click here on the link download deb++ compiler from sourceforge.net. If you click here, then the download starts automatically and wait till download starts. Now let's see, the download starts automatically and wait till the whole program downloaded. Then open. Then the computer asks for permissions, give it the permissions and wait while the setup is loading. Now click OK, English, I agree, next install. Now this extract files, you can wait for some time. And now click finish. This will run the C++ compiler. You can also compile C programs here. Just open it. Yes. Now I will give you a little bit introduction about the C++ compiler. You have to go file, then new, then source file. Then here you can write your C code, C programs. Let's say I am writing a simple program for you to demonstrate how to write programs in the C++ compiler. Has include stdio.h, then has include console input output.h. Then this is our main function, int main. Int is the return type of function main, and we are declaring a variable a and is initializing it to 100. Then we are printing that number, that is printf, using printf function. Value equals modulo d comma a. Then semicolon is act as a statement terminator in C. Then return 0, then again semicolon. And now first you have to save the file using save as. You can give any name you want. I am giving it a name FIRST, first program for prog. And now let's compile this program using F9. And you can run it using F11. Let's say no errors. Now compile and run F11. Now let this will print value equals 100. Now thanks for watching.